So today we had last couple of days our dryer hasn't been drying correctly, and we haven't noticed any dryer lint coming out when it's on. So we thought maybe it was plugged. So today, turn around, Bobby. Today, Bobby and I tried to unplug it with
A couple of these things.
two little things. He tried a coat hanger, and that was too rigid. So I had the purple one. I don't know, I bought it years ago. I just didn't know. And then I just went to the dollar store and got this yellow one. So we're going to keep on trying it. Doesn't seem like anything's coming out. And Bobby looked again,
No.
looked like a light.
Seems to be fine.
With a light, and didn't see anything. So we're going to see how that works and hope for the best. Okay, so we think our dryer vent is plugged. So we haven't seen any lint coming from it. We tried a coat hanger. Oh, there's a little bit of stuff coming out of there. We had the camera up there and we could see lint, but now we're just trying to figure out how to get it out. And I had this sewer snake. Oh, yeah, we're getting some out. I'm getting some out. There we go. Wish we could get this thing off here. I don't know how to get it off. Better stand a little further. It gets up so far. You can almost feel where it's stuck. Oh, yeah, right there. Get up there a little bit more. This little handle. Like, this is a sewer drain thing. I'm sure there's some things on Amazon that will work better than this. And yep, I got it stuck. Of course I did. Okay, Bubby, you try to get it unstuck. Ooh, be careful. I got a little bit out.
I just don't know where it goes.
Oops. Ooh, bingo.
Bingo.
I mean, a couple. I'm sure that thing can come down. Be so much easier. Ooh.
There's a hole. Nothing.
Just on the tip.
A little bit something. Just
Ooh, there's a big drop that fell.
more of that there. Feels like there's something right there.
You just wiggle that thing up. Maybe the sharp teeth on it will move it around. Oh yes. Woohoo! Some fuzzies. Well, it's definitely blocked.
Something up there. I don't know what way it goes.
Well, the dryers must go straight up. That was the purpose why they put it there, right?
No, the dryer. hell's it go?
What do you think the dryer does? Goes out and under?
Definitely something there. Nothing.
See some fluffies coming down. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Keep digging at it, I guess that's all you can do.
I'm at the end here, so.
What about that clothes hanger?
Storage it.
Ooh.
I think we get more rope to that.
Okay. Okay. So we just came in here, just put it on dry, just to see if the air would push up. So I'm gonna go back out and see how it's working. Yeah. You feel it now. Okay, I'm gonna go to the Family Dollar to see if they have a snake or something. So we got a different sewer snake at the dollar store. And Bobby said earlier that he looked up there with a light and there was nothing there, so. What's your conclusion, Bobby?
Yeah, well, I don't think there's much there.
Think it's
I'll
okay?
let it go and do it again.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel, like our channel, and share to your friends. Thank you.